MBM Corporation presents the Destroyit 3104 Centralized Office Model Business Shredder with automatic function and a 12-inch feed opening. Our innovative easy switch control element ensures simple and intuitive operation. The quiet, powerful 1-horsepower single-phase motor with a twin drive system provides a shred capacity of up to 30 sheets in the strip cut version and up to 25 sheets in the cross-cut. Any strip or cross-cut version is suitable for the destruction of CDs and DVDs. The ECC electronic capacity control indicator ensures continuous and efficient shredding. Our precision cutting shafts are constructed entirely of high-grade hardened steel and are backed by a lifetime warranty. Safety features include an electronically controlled transparent safety shield in the feed opening. It is part of the SPS safety package, which sets the standard when it comes to operational safety. With up to 32 gallons of shred volume, our high-quality shred bin allows for neat and easy shred emptying. The 3104 also comes with an environment-friendly energy-saving mode. Destroyit. Quality made in Germany.